Hi again, it's me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on this grand spanking of a YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure every single one of you can agree on that. No discussion needed. So today I'm at an abandoned tunnel. We are back doing the exploration videos. But yeah, so we are at Cinder Hill Tunnel, which was once part of the Bluebell Railway. Oh, yes, spooky. There was some speculation here that this place could be haunted. Oh, spooky, scary skeletons. Basically, some worker, unfortunately, back in the 1800s, got hit by a train once. And there was some speculation going around on rumours, on forums, that this place was haunted. So today we're going to be exploring this tunnel. I'll give some fire facts. Definitely not going to be fire. But yeah, let's explore the tunnel. Ooh. So this is the tunnel. As you can see, lots of graffiti. Who's been a naughty boy? Graffitiing is against the law. I'm pretty sure everyone knows that. So, as I said, this one was part of the famous Bluebell Railway, the first preserved railway in the UK. Okay. Pretty sure that. Okay, that was a bit weird. But yeah, so this was once part of the Bluebell Railway was the first preserved railway in the UK after Dr. Beeching closed all the line. Yeah, it was double tracked from here. It ran all the way down to, Chailey and Newark Station just up there, and then down south it ran to Lewes, the next station being Barkham. Now, as we progress further into the tunnel, you will see these culvert things. This is where the railway workers were meant to hide when a train came. Unfortunately, that guy didn't hide in time and was unfortunately killed by the train. I believe it was a standard class 4 tank, 800151, that killed him, unfortunately. So yeah, as we pan over to the right here, it's just, but yeah, this is the tunnel. Pretty sound tunnel, to be honest. Bit of ballast on the floor. Reminder of the past. Okay. Who keeps on doing that, Marcus? Come on then! It's me, Okay. I just have to get it out of my system, you know. Right. Someone, I don't know. Could be birds. But yeah, as we progress further into the tunnel. Is this tunnel falling apart around me or some shit? What the fuck? This is actually fucked. We're almost near the end. So yeah, here's one of the culverts. Oh shit! Fuck me! Fucking hell! What the fuck was that? What the flippity flop was that? I don't know what to do. I have to go back through that way to get home. It's shit. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I can't really go that way. This has gone wrong. Oh, at least I get a clickbait title out of it. Oh god. I guess I have no choice but to go back through. Right. Okay, I think it's quite evident that I need to get out. Let's go across these bricks. I don't know what the fuck that was. Honestly, could it be the ghost that haunted this time? Honestly, I don't know, but everything seems to have calmed down now. I mean, holy macaroni, that got my heart beating. I don't know. I mean, I don't. I'm just evaluating my options. I don't know. Something just touched my shoulder. I don't. Fuck. Do I turn around?
Hey.
Ah! It's an Arsenal fan!